Here's my first installation. You want to sew my hair?
Sorry.
Oh, Jesus, this burn me for my brain. Oh, Jesus. It's giving big sister of the bride.
I'm trying to pour herself.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kinky and today's video is a talk through process of my first wig installation.
I want to take like a picture of before and after. Okay. Here's my first installation.
What are they making to find you?
You must find. You are not understanding.
So I got this brown synthetic human hair blend wig from Hairs by Dima Official on IG, and my girl started off by prepping my edges, laying them down and getting them ready for the whole process. And I was just here feeling myself, trying to see how it will look before the whole job is done.
They try with the customized. No, since I could have get it, I've not used. I bought the same to them. Okay, I should move my earrings back.
That's why I'm trying that. This one dark.
This one dark. I think on my eye. This one looks like a yellowy nude. This one looks like a white nude. You want to sew my hair? Alright. No, you can't sew my hair. They envy my legs.
I swear. My hair has been there.
How long do you think the installation will last? I think I can go.
Yes.
Like maybe it's like 1 week.
Once 1 week, I can make the decision come. But once you
You go each minute there 1 week.
each, no, it's not just like that.
So I don't know if you've seen the vlog before this one, but this was us preparing for my sister's wedding. And while I had my hair done, my little sister Pamela came to see me at the salon.
Come like this, let me see you now. Oh, you have missed her. Oh, you look so cute.
Thank you.
Wow. You did your hair? You did your lashes?
Yeah.
Wow. Who did your nails?
I went to the somebody.
God, you people have left me behind. Come on, say hi.
Hi.
One. Give me one now.
Period.
At this point, she had sewn the wig cap to my braids or my cornrows, and she was trimming the excess wig cap, and this is how it looked afterwards. Then she proceeded to apply this tint mousse just to make the wig cap kind of resemble the color of my skin, which you can see in the video now. And after she did that, she proceeded to use the wig to kind of measure, you know, how it's going to lay on my head. She tried to like size it, tried to like, you know, bring it forward and see where she was going to cut the lace and all of that. She trimmed off the excess wig cap that was sticking out, and I think I wanted to show you guys where she had applied glue, but NEPA took light, so we couldn't record that. But after she did this, she trimmed the excess by the ear corners, and then she applied glue, and then she laid the band. And the main trick for making it last longer was that she applied the glue, allowed it to dry, and applied another coat. So that was like 2 coats of the glue. And after it kind of dried down clear, then she stuck the glue down and then tied it with a band.
I'm feeling pretty.
Yeah. You're appearing.
Business. Got your phone number again. 3-1.
No.
They touch hot coal with hands. God, I'm finally going to feel this thing on my head. See the things.
You're recording it already.
Yeah. I don't want to be a fine girl anymore. Ah.
Yeah, so that will get you
I just feel one instant heat. I'll tap them on height. Very flat. I got too fine.
So I know you might be wondering what she keeps tapping on my forehead, but she applied a melting spray and now she's applying a tint mousse, which as you can see is bleaching the knots of the lace.
Sorry.
Oh Jesus, this one burned me for my brain. No, Jesus. Jesus.
Sorry.
Hey God.
Now.
I'm traumatized. If I go do this frontal again.
No, you know, like now.
Eh?
You are doing it yourself. You really bad. If you are doing it yourself, it's not be like you trust yourself with it.
I'm saying you go use that hot thing again. You don't finish
No,
it down.
you don't finish the front.
Oh, thank you, Jesus.
You give me that one in minutes time so that
Jesus, my brain.
sorry. That you see, they want you to just sit down like this. Give me the hot thing. You guys. No. Where is the number?
People they do this frontal thing.
Like, I don't
again.
know one.
Oh, this one smells like chocolate. Or like
Yeah,
coconut.
it's very nice. I like it too. I saw it.
As sweet as it can. So you could just go and keep on. Okay, I get it. Everybody get the experience.
Now, if you are instead of playing, no brushing. Now, I'm brushing it in the direction of the thread.
They used to brush and even twist it back. But so pretty. I feel great. Breathe in, breathe out. Alright, I believe ya. I've not seen it. Admire myself.
Okay, I'm seeing clearer. Yes.
I think the center is pretty.
Nice.
We don't have to change it. We can try inside another day. I look so cute.
Thanks.
I don't think why I see myself fine like this. I told ya. No, I know these things.
But don't split them more than.
No, I won't disturb them. Kingane, you have to say about the rich big sis vibes. Big sis of the bride.
And that, guys, concludes this installation process. How does my hair look? I'm really impressed with how well laid it is, how beautiful it looks, and I'll be keeping you guys updated with the progress of how it looked until I remove it.
Giving big sister of the bride. Taking such a huge risk. I don't even want to step far away so that I can catch my phone. There's no tripod, nothing, but I just kept my phone. I just wanted to report that today everyone is on holiday, but your girl is at work. It's a holiday to celebrate 1 year in office for my state governor. So regular people are at home, irregular people are at work, e.g. me. I also want to do a situation report for this frontal. My god, it's going to be 1 week since I had it done tomorrow, which is Friday, and it's insane how well laid it has been. I can also give myself credit because I have a good maintenance culture. Like, if you tell me maintain this thing, I'm going to maintain it, and it has been maintained. But credit goes to my girl as well, Eve's Beauty. She did an amazing job. When I told her I don't think I'll have the time to go to the salon to get my hair done, and I would like this to last a bit longer, like a week, and she did. She was like, let me do something that will make it last long, and yeah, she really did. So you can watch and learn from what she did on my hair, or if you are in Jos, you can book her because she's really good at what she does, as you can see. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.